Imagine waking up to the tranquil beauty of the Peruvian Andes, only to witness nature's fury unfold within hours. In 1941, the town of Huaraz faced such a nightmare when the Palcacoca Glacier, weakened by rising global temperatures, suddenly broke apart. As the glacier melted, it unleashed a deluge of water and debris, forming a massive flood that roared down the valley. In mere moments, the once peaceful town was obliterated, claiming thousands of lives and leaving behind a stark reminder of the power of climate change. The catastrophe not only decimated Huaraz but also served as a harrowing precursor to the increasing threats posed by our warming planet.